If you notice the buttons on your Mazda 3 key fob aren't working and the operation light is not flashing, you'll need to change your battery. Changing the battery in your key fob is simple. It's best to have the battery replaced at your Mazda dealer. However, if doing it yourself, just follow these steps. First, press the knob of the key and pull the auxiliary key out. Using a tape-wrapped flathead screwdriver, gently twist to create a gap. Then insert the flathead into the gap and slide to pop the top. Now, remove the battery cap and the old battery. Carefully insert the new battery with the pole side up. Replace the battery cover. Then close the cover and insert the auxiliary key. You're done. Remember to make sure the rubber ring stays in place. If it comes off, put it back in place before inserting the new battery. For more information about replacing your key fob battery, please see your owner's manual.